Okay, I just want to spend a few seconds just talking about group riding. There's nothing better than going out with mates and enjoying a ride out with your friends, but there is hazards in group riding. I just want to talk about that now and a few tips and things for you to think about. First thing I would say is when you're going out with a group, make sure the person in the front, the leader if you like, is the most experienced rider, knows the route and knows the skills and abilities of the other members in the group as well, so that he or she can pace that group accordingly. Agree on RV points, stop-off points, T-stops, etc. So that if one of the group actually drops off, can't do an overtake or what have you, you know where you're going to stop, you know where you can regroup. The other tip is keep the person behind you in your mirrors. So if they can't do an overtake or if they drop back, you drop back with them as well. And if everyone does that in the group, then the group will stay together. Another tip as well is the sweeper. Always employ a sweeper. Like the person in the front, that's an experienced rider who knows the route, knows the skills and abilities of the riders in the group. So if, again, one drops off, they can pace the other riders back into the group. And lastly, ride your own ride. Don't ride the light to the person in front, because that person might be more experienced than you, will have a better view of the road, might see something, and before you know it, you're into a hazard and you're hard on the brakes. So look beyond the rider in front and ride your own ride.